Error P4 is closely linked to the operation of the inverter compressor, or its drive module, also known as the IPM, Intelligent Power Module. For issues related to error P4, the following steps are recommended. 1. Disconnect the equipment for several minutes, and check for the recurrence of the error. 2. Confirm that the equipment's power supply voltage is adequate. 3. If the error reoccurs, inspect the condition of the outdoor unit's capacitor, ensuring it is completely clean, and verify the proper operation of the fan. 4. Conduct a detailed inspection of the cables, especially those supplying power to the inverter compressor, ensuring they are secure. Problems on the card can be identified by rapid LED flashing. 5. Evaluate the state of the compressor coils, using a multimeter, disconnecting the voltage supply. If the coils do not show practically equal resistance values, it is recommended to replace the compressor due to electrical issues. 6. If the compressor is in good condition, perform a thorough inspection of the tracks on the external electronic card. Visually check the state of the capacitors and correct any identified issues on the tracks. 7. Using a multimeter with the card disconnected, check the value of the electrical resistances on the external card, starting with those near the IPM module. Replace any resistances with abnormal values with ones that have the same specifications. Some brands associated with error P4 related to the inverter compressor or the electronic control module of the compressor include Carrier, Lennox, Lloyd, Westinghouse, Midea, Hyundai, Mirage, Daikin, Hitachi, Mundo Clima, BGH. However, error P4 in air conditioning systems can also be related to excess pressure in the compressor discharge. In this case, it is suggested to perform the following checks. 1. Clean the condenser of the external unit. 2. Check the working pressures if the equipment has been recently recharged with refrigerant. 3. Evaluate the condition of the condenser fan. 4. Check the status of the temperature sensor responsible for sending the signal to the module. Use a multimeter to check the sensor's resistance, ensuring it is never zero or infinite. Also, check the voltage supply of the sensor while connected, which should be 2.5 volts during operation. Some brands associated with this meaning of error P4, related to the compressor discharge temperature, are TCL, Toshiba, Trane, York, Pioneer.